Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Brendo from Powerful Progressions, and today's video is for my producers, songwriters, and lo-fi enthusiasts. So today I'm going to teach you a pretty cool trick on how to take your basic major chords and turn it into something that sounds a little more smooth, something that sounds aesthetic, something that resembles a jazzy lo-fi type of sound. And the way we're going to create this effect is with a really simple formula, which I'm going to show you right now. So now let's take a look at our A major chord. We have A in our root, C sharp, and E. Now all I did to create that jazzy lo-fi effect was I changed the bass of my chord, and it created a completely different sound just by adding an extra note to the lower end of the chord. Let me show you what I mean. So we have our A major. I'm gonna take this root note, count downward 3 semitones. 1, 2, 3. Now we have a completely different chord with very similar characteristics. The only thing that's changed is the bass note. So instead of an A major, we have a F minor 7 chord. Right? So I'm gonna show you again. Take this root note, count down 3 semitones. 1, 2, 3. And let's do it with another chord, with a B major chord. 1, 2, 3. So let's take a look at this chord real quick. This is a G sharp minor chord, and this note right here, the F sharp, creates a 7th. So G sharp minor 7th chord. I could do it here with the E major as well. So now let's put it together. And the good thing about this formula is that it works for any key. So let's go down to C. And mind you, I'm using the same exact formula. Let's take a look at it real quick. So C as my root, 1, 2, 3. G, 1, 2, 3. F, 1, 2, 3. So let me know, was this video helpful? And if it was, go ahead and share this video with somebody you know. And also save this video so you can always refer back to it when you need it.